Looking for turbochargers that deliver unmatched performance and reliability? Look no further than Garrett Turbos, available from Highway and Heavy Parts. After decades of pioneering turbocharger technology from Garrett, Highway and Heavy Parts is excited to be a master distributor of Garrett diesel turbochargers for Caterpillar's C7, C13, C15, and C15 ACERT engines. Garrett turbochargers offer robust, performance-boosting solutions for Caterpillar engines. Manufactured and calibrated to original equipment specification, Garrett's advanced technology delivers more turbo power without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Enjoy increased performance while saving on fuel cost. Each Garrett turbocharger is engineered for durability, making them ideal for long-term use in heavy-duty applications. Aerodynamic design, cutting-edge technology and materials, and precision manufacturing techniques make Garrett a premier turbocharger brand. The partnership between Highway and Heavy Parts and Garrett allows HHP to ship premium turbochargers at a competitive price with fast delivery, a 12-month warranty, unmatched customer service, and ASC certified technical knowledge. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, a Garrett master distributor.